and dear SSCians, Assalamu Alaikum. It's a great honor for me to stand before you today at the 9th anniversary of Shoaib Coaching Center SSC. 9 years is not merely a number. It represents 9 years of dedication, learning, struggle, achievement, and the dreams of thousands of students who have been part of this institution. Today we are not only celebrating the completion of 9 years, but we are celebrating the journey of an institution that believes that education is more than completing a syllabus. SSC's focus is on conceptual learning and quality education rather than quantity. SSC's teachers do not simply go chapters. They try to understand the needs and abilities of the students and teach according to their levels. Because every student is different. Some students learn quickly, some need more guidance, and some simply need someone to believe in them. And this is where SSC plays an important role. Our teachers do not only teach lessons, they teach students how to learn, how to think, and how to believe in their abilities. And this is why building students' confidence is one of the first priorities of SSC Shoaib Coaching Center. Knowledge is important, but knowledge is more powerful, or you can say knowledge becomes more powerful when a student has the confidence to use it. Our teachers encourage students to ask questions, to express their ideas, overcome their weaknesses, and believe in their abilities. Our teachers do not only guide us toward better academic performance, but also toward becoming responsible and confident individuals. On this special occasion, we, the students, would like to thank our respected honor and all our teachers on the completion of the 9th years of our Shoaib Coaching Center. And I want to say you that there is a vision behind opening this institution. The vision and behind this journey is the vision of our respected honor and his team, whose aim goes far beyond running a coaching center. His vision is to transform SSC Shoaib Coaching Center into SSCUN, a university level educational institution isn't possible with the effort of one person, but with the teamwork and sincerity of each member. SSCUN isn't simply a change of name. SSCUN isn't merely a change of name, but it represents a vision. And that is the vision of building an institution where students can receive quality education, build confidence, and develop their skills and prepare themselves for their professional and personal lives. And after 9 years, SSC has already produced students who are moving forward different fields. They are pursuing higher education. They are entering professional fields, and they are moving forward. They are working forward their dreams. But I believe this is only the beginning. The next chapter can be even greater. And as students, we have to be part of that next chapter. Because this is only the beginning. And the students, we should be part of that next chapter. And also because the journey we are celebrating here today isn't only about what SSC has achieved, but it's about what SSC can achieve tomorrow. From SSC to SSCUN, from coaching to education, from knowledge to confidence, from classrooms to careers, and from dreams to reality. This is only Shoaib Coaching Center which can do this. And we all feel proud to be part of that institution which gives all these kind of things, all these kinds of benefits. And in the last, I would like to say happy 9th anniversary to Shoaib Coaching Center. May Shoaib Coaching Center continue to inspire students, build confidence, promote quality education, and turn dreams into reality. May the dream of SSCUN become a reality that future generations will proudly be a part of. Thank you so much, Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you.